So this is how the tutorial works. So basically, they choose any card. It's just a random card. There's no setup in the deck. And then yeah, basically you just take the card. You don't have to see it, but in this case we'll see it. So it's the King of Spades, right? So basically what they're thinking is you're putting it completely and flush into the deck, but actually you're pushing it and out jogging it in the corner. So this cannot be seen because this has got to be 90 degrees towards the eye line, and it's got to be angled correctly. So in this case, if I do it to you, it's 90 degrees towards the eye line and angled perfectly, so you ain't gonna see it. Alright, so basically you just dribble the deck, and when it comes near the card, just pluck it out like you're plucking out your booger. So yeah, just pluck it out like that, like this, and yeah. And do you ever like hate it when you're you're plucking your booger and the red piece comes out and it sticks to your finger, and you try to fling it, but it sticks to your other finger, and like it goes all over your hand, and you feel like you're in Mars and you can't breathe. So yeah, do the same thing over here. So like you're flinging the booger, but instead you're grabbing it and pulling it. Alright, count millions of cards down with your thumb. So you basically just do this with your thumb, and you just stop at a random place, put the card inside, show them that this is your card, it's not Joker or anything like that, and just push it with your middle finger or index or whatever, and pinky, your wish. Middle finger seems okay. So you push it to the corner, alright? So basically, let me come towards you. So you basically push it towards the corner, this left, alright? Basically, I prefer left. So left till you can hold the deck like this. So in this case, they know it's out jogged. So you hold like this, and the tip of the deck is over here. Alright? So basically like this, in this position. And then you just push it down. Alright? Like this, you're just pushing down while getting it all the way back. Alright, so once again, they choose a random card. You don't see it, blah blah blah. You just spread through all. I don't know what I'm talking about, whatever. And you just push your finger down like this, and you just put your thumb. Your thumb pushes it down with your middle finger, and your thumb just grabs the deck down like that, and just brings it all the way down. And sometimes it just out jogs like a piece of booger, but just pull it back all the way back in. Alright, so once you're in this position, don't stay like this for more than half a second. Turn towards the outline and like put it towards the correct angle. So this is angle sensitive, so you gotta I'm tired of talking. You gotta just put it perfectly in their eyes, in their eyeballs, so that's ain't gonna see. Alright, so yeah. So once again, you spread through the deck, and then you just take a random card, see it, put it anywhere, press it with your middle finger to the left, and sometimes it gets stuck here, so like here, just bangs your thumb. That's why you gotta put it towards the left, and after the left. Alright, so basically just put it here, push it with your middle finger, bring it back with your middle and your thumb all the way here, and then within half a second turn towards your eye line and just do that. Alright, so dribble and just pluck out card. Alright, so yeah, this is a tutorial. Once again, I'm gonna show you one last time. So you just spread through the deck, they choose a card, this, and just close it up. They take the card, they see it, 6 of spades, put it over here, press it towards the left, drag it and show it in front of their eye line, and then just dribble, drag the card, their card, boom. Real quick, you basically hold the deck like this. With what I do is I hold the middle finger and the ring over here, the index kind of like bent over here, and the thumb over here, and basically what I'm doing is just leaving the card, like letting through the card. So I'm basically riffling down while letting this finger be loose. So I'm just doing that. If I hold it too tight, it's gonna fall like that. But I'm not doing that. I'm keeping it straight and just letting it fall. So once again, just dribble and boom. So yeah. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Obviously, that would mean a lot for me. Okay, and yeah, see my deck of cards. Yeah. If you have been, if you haven't been if you have been watching till now, I'm gonna talk like a robot. If you have been watching, if you watched till now, put a purple heart in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and share. To your grandparents, dog, cats, squirrels, chimpanzees. Do you even have pet chimpanzees? Whatever, like, subscribe, and share. See you all in the next video. Bye. Let me make a nice outro. Bye. Ace of Clubs. TMC was here. Yeah, TMC, the Magic Circle. What a cool name, right?